Installation is a key moment in the life of a sensor. Our goal is to make this step easy, fast and smooth. First, for the installer's comfort, and second, for optimal performance. The latest improvements we made to FLATSCAN 3D Swing follow this direction. I'm Lisa Rox, Product Manager at BA, and part of my mission is to continuously improve our products to offer the best possible installation experience. When installing new glass surfaces, you usually must consider background that may change throughout the day. Sometimes the environment shifts between the installation moment and the activation of the door, simply because of an umbrella or a coat hanging near the entrance. These are situations installers encounter regularly. To make things easier, we developed a new feature, the glass wall teaching. It allows the sensor to easily learn glass surfaces with just a hand movement. The results: no more unwanted detections, optimal door availability, and guaranteed safety. How does it work? Using the remote control, unlock, magic wand, 1. The sensor starts blinking red-yellow. When the LED turns green, make a hand movement from top to bottom in the hinge area, where you want to create a virtual wall. The area beyond this virtual wall will be ignored by the sensor. The LED turns red to confirm the learning was successful. This action can also be performed directly on the sensor by pressing the push button 3 times. In summary, one feature, the glass wall teaching, with multiple benefits: greater simplicity, improved efficiency, and even more peace of mind.